What if I told you the future is not coming? It is already here, hiding in plain sight. Right now, there are machines that can climb stairs like animals, cars that can turn into flying vehicles, and robots that can replace human work faster than ever before. Some of these inventions can clean beaches, build structures, and even live in space. It sounds like science fiction, but it is real. And the most shocking part? Most people have no idea this is happening. These inventions are quietly changing how we live, work, and move. So the real question is, how long before your life is changed by one of them? Suzuki Mokba. Now imagine a vehicle that does not just drive, it walks. The Suzuki Mokba looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but it is very real. Instead of normal wheels, it has 4 robotic legs. These legs help it move over rough ground and even climb stairs without falling. That means places where normal vehicles fail, this machine can keep going. The design is very smart. The seat stays level even when the body moves up or down. So the rider feels stable, even on uneven surfaces. This makes it useful not just for fun, but for real-life situations. For example, it could help people who have difficulty walking. It could also be used in emergencies, like carrying injured people through areas where roads are damaged. It is not built for speed. It is built for control and balance. And that is what makes it special. It shows us a new way of thinking about movement, not just rolling forward, but adapting to the world around us. And once you see it climb stairs like it is nothing, you realize the future of transport might not have wheels at all. The Ocado Smart Platform. Now let's step into a place where robots are not just helping, they are running the entire system. The Ocado Smart Platform is like a giant warehouse. But inside, you will not see many humans. Instead, thousands of small robots move quickly on a large grid. They slide across it, pick items, and deliver them exactly where they need to go. Each robot knows its job. It moves with perfect timing, almost like a dance. Orders that would take humans a long time can be done in just minutes. The system can prepare a full grocery order in less than 5 minutes. That is faster than most people can even find the items. What makes this even more powerful is the brain behind it. The system uses smart technology to predict what people will buy. It looks at weather, time of year, and shopping habits. Then, it places items in the best position before anyone even orders them. This is not just a warehouse. It is a glimpse of a world where machines handle complex work with speed and accuracy. And once you see it in action, it is hard to imagine going back to the old way. Kia Atmo Smoke 1. Now imagine an aircraft that does not need fuel the way normal planes do. The Kia Atmos Mk1 is powered by the sun. It is built to fly very high, far above regular airplanes, where the air is thin and the sky feels almost like space. And the most surprising part is that it can stay up there for a very long time. This aircraft is extremely light, but also strong enough to handle powerful winds. Instead of flying people, it carries cameras and sensors. From high above, it can watch the Earth, track weather, and help during natural disasters. It can also be used for farming, helping farmers understand their land better by collecting detailed images. Think about this for a moment. A machine that can stay in the sky for days, even months, without landing. Always watching, always collecting data. It gives us a completely new way to see our world. This is not just a plane. It is like having a permanent eye in the sky. And as this technology improves, it could change how we monitor our planet forever. Nappen trailers. At first, this might look like a normal truck trailer, but what it does is very different. Nappen trailers do not need to lift up to unload cargo. Instead, the floor inside the trailer moves. It slowly pushes the load out from the back. No tipping, no risk of falling over. This may sound simple, but it solves a big problem. In many places, like warehouses or tunnels, there is not enough space to lift a trailer. Traditional trucks can be dangerous in these tight areas, but this system works safely, even in low spaces. The moving floor is controlled with precision. It can handle heavy materials like grain, sand, or waste. Everything slides out smoothly, without sudden movement. This makes the job faster and much safer for workers. It also reduces accidents. No tipping means no chance of the truck losing balance. And because it is more controlled, it protects both the cargo and the people around it. This invention shows something important. The future is not always about big, flashy robots. Sometimes, small, smart changes in design can completely transform how work is done. Secare SVH4. Now imagine learning to fly a helicopter without ever leaving the ground. The Secare SVH4 is not a normal simulator. It is a real machine with spinning blades, real controls, and real movement. But instead of flying freely, it stays connected to a fixed base, keeping everything safe. When a student sits inside, they feel what real flying is like. The controls respond just like a real helicopter. The machine moves, shakes, and reacts to every input. This helps the pilot build muscle memory and confidence before ever going into the sky. What makes this special is how real it feels. Most simulators only use screens and software, but this system uses actual mechanics, so the experience is much closer to real flight. And because it is safer, it also reduces training costs and risks. New pilots can practice takeoff, landing, and control without fear of crashing. Mistakes become lessons, not accidents. This invention is changing how people learn complex skills. It shows that training in the future will be safer, smarter, and much more realistic. City Hawk. Now imagine calling a taxi, and it lands right in front of you from the sky. The City Hawk is not a normal aircraft. It is a flying vehicle that can take off and land straight up and down. No runway, no long roads, just lift and go. What makes it even more interesting is its design. Instead of big open blades like a helicopter, it uses hidden fans inside the body. This makes it safer, quieter, and easier to control in crowded cities. It can carry several people at once, making it useful for transport, emergencies, and rescue missions. Think about traffic for a moment. Busy roads, long delays, and crowded streets. Now imagine skipping all of that by flying above it. That is the idea behind this machine. It opens the door to a new kind of travel where distance feels shorter and time feels faster. And it is not just for convenience. In emergencies, it can reach places where normal vehicles cannot. Saving time can mean saving lives. This is more than just a flying taxi. It is a glimpse into a future where the sky becomes part of our daily roads. TD500, TR500. Now picture a machine that can paint huge buildings faster than any human and do it without putting anyone in danger. The TD500 and TR500 are smart painting robots built for large projects. Instead of workers climbing high ladders or standing on risky platforms, this robot does the job safely from a controlled position. It can move up and down, adjust its height, and spray paint evenly across surfaces. With just a few commands, it knows exactly where to go and how much paint to use. It works much faster than humans and still keeps the quality smooth and clean. What makes it even better is safety. Painting tall buildings can be dangerous. Strong winds, high places, and long hours can lead to accidents. But this robot removes that risk. It handles the hard and risky parts while humans stay safe on the ground. It also saves time and effort. Large projects that once took days can now be done much quicker. And every stroke looks the same, with no mistakes. This is a clear example of how robots are not just replacing work, but also protecting people while doing it. Jetivator. Now imagine riding something that lets you fly above water like a superhero. The Jetivator looks like a bike, but instead of wheels, it uses powerful streams of water to lift you into the air. As soon as it starts, you ride